Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your position on Binance Futures. Whether you're taking profits or cutting losses, knowing how to exit your trades properly is essential to managing your risk. I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can close positions confidently. First, open the Binance app and tap on Futures at the bottom. This will take you to your futures trading dashboard. Next, scroll down and tap Positions to view all your open trades. Here, you'll see important details like trade size, entry price, and your P&L, profit and loss. Now, find the position you want to close and tap Close Position. This tells Binance you're ready to exit the trade. After that, choose the price type for closing, either market price for immediate execution or a custom price if you want the position to close at a specific level. Setting your price gives you more control over your trade exit. Finally, tap Confirm. Your position will be closed and Binance will show a quick confirmation message once the process is complete. And that's it. Closing a position on Binance Futures is quick and easy when you know the steps. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to How To Tutor for more clear and practical crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.